Okay, guys, so I just need to go over some like Google Classroom basics because there are just a few things that you guys are missing in terms of how to use Google Classroom. So the first thing that I need to make sure that you know how to do is up at the top here, there's the stream, there's the classwork, and there's the people. If you're in the stream all the time, everything is sort of in order like a Facebook or whatever. That's not the most efficient way to get your classwork. If you simply click on classwork, then suddenly everything is organized by day. Look at that. Hallelujah. So organized by day. And then I'm asking that you guys click turn in the assignment when you're done. So here's an IXL assignment, and if I click on this, then it brings me to the assignment. So that's not helpful to Mrs. Keller. What's helpful to Mrs. Keller is if you click on View Assignment and then right over here, Mark as Done. Yes, please mark as done. That way I get notified, it goes into my Google Classroom and I can see that it's done. Otherwise, I'm scrolling through all of your comments and it's kind of a pain in the butt. The other thing that I want you guys to be aware of is you have a calendar. Yes, a calendar. Look at that. If you click on that calendar, it will tell you all of the assignments that you have due that day. And you can just click on the calendar. Oh, look it, I got to do this. Yep, and then mark as done. So please, please, please use these tools. So let me just show you again how that's going to happen. So here's our Math Google Classroom. Here's the stream. Everything is sort of mishmash. It doesn't look very organized. But as soon as you click on classwork, then it's organized by category. So here's all of your assignments for today, Friday. Here's all of your assignments for Thursday and Wednesday and Tuesday, and I will continue to organize them by day. Look at that. All of them are right over here too. Cool. When you are in an assignment, let's say we're doing this one. If you just click on View Assignment, I can unsubmit it. Yes. I'm not asking you to unsubmit, but if you fixed it, then you can unsubmit. Mark is done. Yes, mark is done. And then you can go back to the classwork. Let's say I then worked on IXL R8. Oh, there it is. If you click on this IXL thing, it's just going to bring you to the assignment. If you click on View Assignment, you can do it and then come back here and click Mark as Done. And that turns it into us. This other thing that I want you to be aware of is that you have calendars. So this would have, if Mr. Black or Mrs. Grace put in any due dates, it would also be here. So I can get to my Alex reflection and look at that. Mark is done after I've finished it. All right. So I hope that this little tutorial is helpful to you. Please use it. Bye.